What if one AI could replace half the tools on your computer? ChatLLM, the world's first AI super assistant, claims it can, creating videos, building presentations, even turning PDFs into interactive apps, all in one place. But can it really live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into ChatLLM's powerful features, seeing how it routes questions to the best models, generates content from scratch, and much more. Stick around to find out if this AI is truly a game changer or just another tech promise that falls short. By the way, if you're ready to explore ChatLLM, check out the link in the description below. Route LLM. ChatLLM's first big feature is Route LLM, a tool that intelligently picks the best large language model, LLM, to respond to each question. Here's why it's actually a big deal. Today, there's no shortage of language models out there. OpenAI's GPT series, Google's Bard, and many others are making waves. But choosing the right one for specific questions isn't easy. Each model has its own strengths and weaknesses, with some handling technical questions better, while others excel at casual conversation or creative responses. With Route LLM, ChatLLM does the heavy lifting for you. Instead of having to decide which model might be best, you just ask your question and Route LLM determines the best fit. This feature ensures the response quality remains high and relevant to the context of your question. For example, if you're looking for a casual answer to a common question, it'll pick an AI that's designed for general responses. But if your question is highly technical or complex, it might route to a model trained specifically for those kinds of inquiries. But as great as this sounds, it isn't without limitations. Choosing the best model isn't always straightforward, and sometimes there can be overlap where multiple models can handle the question similarly well. Also, Route LLM relies on constant updates to keep up with the latest models, which can mean it's only as effective as the range and recency of the models it has access to. So, while it offers impressive flexibility, its effectiveness still depends on the quality of the LLMs available. Video generation. One of ChatLLM's standout features is video generation capability. In addition to the standard image generation we've seen in other AI tools, ChatLLM allows users to create videos from text prompts. This expands the scope of what an AI assistant can do, particularly for content creators, educators, and marketers who rely heavily on digital content. So how does it work? Essentially, users input a description or scenario, and the AI generates a short video based on that input. It could be used to quickly create promotional clips, explainers, or even educational videos without needing advanced editing tools. Imagine typing in a description of a product and instantly having a 15-second ad ready for social media. This feature essentially democratizes video creation by making it accessible to people who don't have the time or resources for traditional video production. However, as with most AI-generated content, there are trade-offs. Video generation in ChatLLM might not replace professional quality video production yet. The videos generated are usually simple and work best for short clips rather than long or highly detailed videos. Plus, AI-generated videos can lack the nuance or emotional depth that a skilled human editor might bring to the table. So while it's a powerful addition for quick video needs, it's likely not a full replacement for professional video projects. Search LLM. Another major feature in ChatLLM is Search LLM, a built-in search engine that provides real-time access to information on the web. Unlike some AI models that rely on pre-existing data without web access, Search LLM allows ChatLLM to search for the latest information on virtually any topic. This means it can answer questions that require up-to-date knowledge, like current events, recent trends, or fast-moving technology updates. Essentially, it combines the generative power of AI with the freshness of internet search. This feature makes ChatLLM particularly useful for users who need to stay current. For instance, instead of relying on an AI model's limited training data, you could ask about recent developments in technology or news, and Search LLM would pull from real-time web sources to provide an accurate response. It's a big advantage for anyone needing timely information, especially since many AI models are limited to knowledge that's often months or even years old. However, like any search engine, the quality of the information you get depends on the sources it pulls from. If the web data isn't reliable or well curated, there's a risk of getting information that's either inaccurate or out of context. Search LLM might also be limited to how well it can integrate information from various sources without misinterpretation. While it's a powerful addition for those needing up-to-date info, it's also worth fact-checking critical details, especially for professional use. Document generation. One of the more practical features that ChatLLM offers is document generation. This tool lets users create presentations, reports, and other structured documents directly within the ChatLLM platform, cutting down on the time it takes to prepare formal content. The process is relatively straightforward. Users input a few points or themes, and ChatLLM generates a polished presentation or document based on that outline. This feature is especially useful for business professionals, students, or anyone who needs quick yet professional-looking documents. Imagine being able to generate a slide deck for a meeting in minutes, or quickly summarizing research findings into a report. It's designed to take care of the formatting and structure so users can focus on the content itself. However, as with many AI-generated products, the quality can vary. Document generation can be great for creating initial drafts or simple documents, but it might lack the customization and nuance that someone could achieve by manually crafting each slide or page. If you're looking for highly customized presentations or have specific branding requirements, this feature might not meet every need. Still, for quick document generation, it's a time saver that adds genuine convenience. Doc to interactive app. One of ChatLLM's more unique features is its ability to convert static documents like PDFs into interactive applications. Imagine taking a lengthy report or manual and transforming it into a clickable, interactive experience. For industries like training, education, or client-facing services, this feature can make information more engaging and accessible, turning a typical document into a hands-on experience that users can navigate and explore. The main advantage here is that interactive apps encourage user engagement, something that traditional PDFs or static documents often lack. For example, an educational institution could use this feature to transform course materials into interactive study guides, or a business could create interactive manuals for clients. Instead of sifting through pages of text, users can click through sections, access specific information easily, and stay more engaged throughout the process. However, this feature might not be for everyone. If you only need a simple PDF for straightforward reading, transforming it into an interactive app could feel like overkill. Also, while the feature is innovative, the interactive elements might be limited based on the complexity of the original document and the desired outcome. It's not a substitute for full app development, but it's still valuable for enhancing traditional documents where interactivity adds value. To clarify, this video is a sponsored collaboration between ChatLLM teams and AI Uncovered. While it is sponsored, we've made sure to provide an unbiased breakdown of how these features work. Artifacts. ChatLLM has something for developers too, with its Artifacts feature, which allows users to create React components directly within the platform. For those not familiar, React is a popular JavaScript library used in web development, particularly for building user interfaces. By generating these components, ChatLLM helps streamline the workflow for developers, enabling them to create interactive UI elements faster. Here's how it works. A developer can use ChatLLM to input specifications for a React component, and the assistant will generate the corresponding code. This can be useful for prototyping or even production-ready components if the requirements are relatively simple. For instance, if a developer needs a button, form, or modal window, they can generate it through ChatLLM without having to write each line of code manually. However, as with other code generation tools, there are limitations. While Artifacts can handle basic components, it may struggle with more complex or highly customized UI elements. Also, developers still need to review and possibly tweak the generated code to ensure it aligns with project standards and doesn't introduce errors. So, while it's a powerful feature for speeding up simple tasks, developers working on complex applications might find it more useful as a supplementary tool than a complete solution. The pros and cons of ChatLLM as a super assistant. With all these impressive features, ChatLLM is clearly pushing the boundaries of what an AI assistant can offer. But, as with any tool, there are both benefits and limitations to consider. ChatLLM brings together a broad array of capabilities that support a wide range of tasks, from content creation and research to app development, making it versatile for various professionals, from marketers to developers. Its key strengths lie in its versatility, ease of use, and the integration of tools that cover everything from real-time search to document generation, which are rarely seen together in one platform. On the other hand, the performance of each feature may vary based on the task complexity. For example, while document generation is fantastic for creating drafts and quick content, it might not meet the needs of users who require detailed customization. Similarly, video generation is ideal for simple clips, but may not replace full-scale video production. The artifacts feature is valuable for prototyping, but developers will likely need to tweak the code for more complex requirements. What Chat LLM really does well is bring together tools that allow users to tackle a variety of tasks without switching between platforms. The future of AI super assistants. Chat LLM represents a significant leap in AI capabilities, showcasing how far these tools have come and hinting at where they're going. The integration of multifunctional features within a single AI assistant is a complex that could redefine workflows and productivity for individuals and businesses alike. If tools like Chat LLM continue to improve and refine their offerings, it's not hard to imagine a future where a single AI could handle a vast range of tasks, seamlessly integrating into every aspect of our digital lives. Of course, the future depends on continued advancements in AI, including better integration of real-time data, improvements in content quality, and more precise functionality across each feature. The question will also be about how well these AI super assistants can meet the specific needs of users while avoiding over-reliance on generalized tools. Whether you're excited about the potential or cautious about the limitations, there's no denying that Chat LLM is leading the way in reimagining what an AI assistant can do. If you're ready to see what Chat LLM teams can do, click the link in the description to try it for yourself. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.